Let's say you have a project with audio takes and you want to change the tempo without Cubase time stretching them. First, you need to turn off the musical mode of your audio takes. Select the audio takes you want, then open the audio editor by pressing Ctrl-E on your keyboard and click on the musical note at the top of the editor. Another way to do this is in the pull window. Press Ctrl-P to open the pull window and uncheck the musical mode boxes in the audio folder. The second step is to change the time base of your track from musical to linear. Simply click on the note icon on your specified audio tracks. If you can't find this icon, then right-click on your track, go to Track Control Settings and choose Toggle Time Base between musical and linear from your Hidden Controls list. Click the Add button and then Apply. Now you can change the tempo of your project without affecting those audio events. Note that the start of your audio takes will change position in relation to the grid, and you'll have to manually readjust them.